Yo, what up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, a lot of life stuff's going on, but found some knocking in the engine. It's not rotten. I checked and it's actually the transmission mounts are completely busted. Good thing I got some new ones in. I want to install those, but before I install those, I think I should just go ahead and do a full tune-up on the car. I have not been giving Panda the love that I normally do when it comes to tuning up the engine, because I do it every so often, but this is probably the longest since it has had its last tune-up, you know what I mean? I did get a lot of new stuff. Yeah, so before Panda enters the phase 3, because you guys probably have seen a video back that I finally completed the wide body kit for this car. So before I start cutting and doing more drilling for that, I do want everything in here buttoned up, especially with the engine. So let's get straight into it. I did not plan for this today. I just you know what, I haven't picked up the camera in a while. It is 6:17 in the morning. I'm just here early at work and I came here to nap. Actually, I need to focus on resting. I still haven't been resting. I'll tell you guys about that later, but you know, I have the energy. I feel fine. I feel great. I have all the supplies in the trunk. Let's just get to it. Got some really bad knocking on this side. Like, check this out. I'm gonna try to push it. Horrible. You guys probably can't see from here, but like, it's completely busted. And this one on the driver's side is getting there. This is how you know that I need new gaskets and everything. Good thing I get all of that right here at my job. So I'm gonna go inside and grab those right now and clean this thing up just a bit. Me and Ariel just got some shoes yesterday, and I'm gonna mess these up working on the car. Woohoo! I went into the office. Here's the first package, and this is my motor mounts and transmission mounts. But I might do this last. I think I should get like some jack stands or something, because I don't have any just yet. But we can install this, and what this is, it's my hood latch. Because one of the things I do hate in this car is that the hood latch lever is nothing but this. So every time I pull it real hard, it sometimes hurts, because it's been on the car ever since I bought it. So it's been on here for probably about like 2.5 years. I'm getting close to 3 years. I'm just tired of it. So that's why I got this, and I will be putting this on later today as well. And the valve cover gasket, which I really need. So full tone up right now, and I'll be showing you guys what's in this box later. I'm gonna do the oil change, or yeah, the valve cover gasket right now. I do want to degrease the engine just a little bit, like stuff like that. So I'll do that after work, but I have to let the engine cool down anyways, because I just got here not too long ago. But you guys don't need to see me do an oil change. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube. There's a bunch of videos on the valve cover gasket. If you guys want me to show you again, let me know, and I'll probably do a more detailed one and explain a bit more. But as of right now, still kind of tired, and I really don't want to vlog this. I'd rather vlog the transmission mounts or something. But yeah. Panda is all put back together. I'm actually really glad that I finished everything before I had to clock into work. So I changed my shirt back. About to go in, work, and I'll see you guys in a few hours to do the transmission mounts and whatever else that I have to do on the car. See you guys in a bit. Woo! Okay guys, it is definitely after work. Before I install the transmission mounts, I want to go with Ariel to go pick up her car, because she got a call from Juan, and he told her that the car is ready. So we're gonna go pick it up. She's been waiting for like a few weeks, like at least over like 2 weeks already. This is definitely before she gets her tattoo. So if you guys see that tattoo video, this is us in the future. It's really hard to explain that scenario, but she's going to go. Oh, here she comes, looking like the popo. The popo. Look at that. Big body areoles. Why are you so small? You're a popo. So you ready? Alright. This girl's been waiting. She's been driving the big giant boat behind me. I legit feel like the cops are behind me when she drives this damn car. Unidentified police vehicles behind me. I'm getting pulled over. No, I'm joking. Oh my god, she looks like the cops to me. Why does she look like the cops? Why does she look like the cops? Ariel done turned into the damn popo. Damn! This shit looks clean! Oh my god. You can see the pearlies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Finally. It's all fixed too. Like color matched and everything. Dope. Maybe I should do a few photos of Panda being chased by this big ass thing. Oh my gosh, you get the car back. Damn, Juan always protects your stuff. That's dope. And the whole door is fixed. Oh jeez. Fixed the new tires and everything. If you guys want some work done like this, hit up the shop. There she goes, she's driving off. And she'll let us know how smooth it is later. Oh, she came back with the smooth June. It rides so smooth. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Well, at least one of us car rides a lot smoother. I need to get these motor mounts or transmission mounts put in so my car rides smooth, because this popping noise it's doing is really making me nervous. I really don't like it. Every turn, every bump you hear is so I don't like that. But let's get to the house, or I might just continue this tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow because there's a lot of errands I have to run today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright people, it's the next day. I already got Panda jacked up and everything for the side that's making all the noise with this motor mount right there. And as you can see, that thing is definitely busted. So this metal thing's just hitting this metal thing and making a lot of noise. I did loosen that and that fell, which means the transmission fell. So I put it on another jack and re-jacked it up and then put it back center for now. So that way I could take this bolt off, and then there's two 14mm bolts there right here holding it on. Here's the new ones, but this one has a little bit longer end right here where I have to slip it through, and then this one has a shorter end. So these are the two lower transmission mounts. I have to take this one off to see which one of these two go on. I am here early at work again, so I'm gonna hurry and do this before I start work. I have this impact gun. Good thing I bought this thing because it's helping me take off the wheels really fast, and it's helping me take this off. So I took off my wheel, so this big giant gun, I'm gonna get a smaller one later, but it does fit, and it's gonna take this off in no time. This 19mm bolt that was dead center, and then two 14mm bolts that go up right here. See, one goes right here, the other one goes in that other hole right there. Now I just need to take this out and off, but what I'm going to do is lower the jack a little bit so that one can come out a lot easier. Oh shit. So here's the old one and the new one. A lot thicker. And here's what the old one looks like. It was completely demolished. Alright you guys, it is the next day. So I did drive the car home, and the knocking still happened. in the meantime, what I'm going to do is do some of the interior pieces, and I'll show you guys that now. Out with the old and with the new. Let's try it. Hey, so now that is settled, let's handle what's in this black box. And what's in here is the new steering wheel. Oh fuck yeah. Compared to that one, yeah, this one's hella nicer. This one right here I had for like the past over 6 years, and probably about like a month ago or a month and a half ago, it really started messing up. The sun really started eating it away, and you know, it has not messed up for the past, you know, 6 to 7 years. The badge I am going to keep. I couldn't find a new one that I like, and this one is actually battle scarred from my previous Honda Prelude, and then I didn't install it, but then on my second Prelude I installed this badge. So I had this thing since, I believe, if I'm correct, it had to be like 2011. I had this logo, or this horn button. So I'm gonna keep it for now until I find something else I like to fit on this new wheel. So let me get this one installed. So I'm done with this thing, and this looks way better. There was some scratches here that I had on the old one that always bothered me, like little chips and stuff, but who cares? It's done. I got this horn button, but I'm gonna see if I can customize this myself. So I'm gonna hold on to this, not throwing it away just yet. Alright you guys, it definitely has been at least about a few days after that last clip. On that same exact day, the new axle came in right when I got off work. Right now, the AutoZone right here, they don't have the torque wrench I need, because for me to do the axle, I need to be able to torque it back down to 134 square pounds or something. So we're gonna go to Home Depot and see if I get a tool. And as I'm working on that, I do got my new red hoses in, and I might as well install it now since I'm already gonna be underneath the engine. So these are a lot thicker and tighter, so it'll make everything look good. Okay you guys, I've been here for a minute. I replaced the axle, so that is done. I am done for tonight. This is the old one, completely broken inside, like it's not even stable. That's the new one. It's not even a few months old. It is like 10 something at night. I did a few clips on the IG, but I am done for tonight. As for the radiator hoses, I'll probably do it in the morning or something, because it needs to be done before the trip, because these hoses are bad. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am back at the shop. Remember when I said there was a lot of rattling, and I found a bolt, I found my windshield wiper fluid reservoir thing wasn't even connected. I found a lot of things that could possibly be rattling as I drive, and when I come to a complete stop, you hear the rattling, but you can also feel it in your feet. So probably like last Sunday, when I installed those lights, or Saturday actually, it was last Saturday, we looked into it and we found out that, if you guys can see, that transmission mount right there is bad. It is a bad transmission mount. Every time I shift gears, it moves a lot. So I think what happened is I hit a dip, and it just broke it to its final straw, because it moves so much. If you guys remember in one of my videos, I installed that transmission mount and also that transmission mount right there. I totally forgot to change that one back there, so that's what I do today. Again, nothing else was really planned today. I actually was going to do another video, but I'm going to save that for next time and get this done as soon as possible. finally got it out. It's really cracked and bent, like right in here. Can't really see it, but it's definitely cracked. Yeah, this one's hella solid. Ooh, all the way through solid. Compared to this one, right here, it's cracked right there. Bad. Alright, let's put this one in. Alright, you guys, just like that, motor mount is in. Right there. Figured out an easy way to put it in and out. Now, I'm gonna test it out. But, when I test it out, I'm gonna go meet up with Ariel right now. So I'll let you guys know how it feels then. See you in a bit.